Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Nabiah binti Uthman. My metric number is A21828874. And I want to introduce my group's member. Firstly, Nur Fatin Nabila binti Muhammad Razi, A2182837. Siti Nurul Izzati binti Razak, A2183112. Siti Nur Shazlin binti Hassan, A2183448. Next, Muhammad Iqmal Haikal bin Omar Hashim, A2182658. Muhammad Afiq Haikal bin Mazlan, A2182612. And Muhammad Abrisham Shazani bin Shuhaimi, A2182609.
Today, I would like to introduce the company name and the detail about company at equation 1. The name of the company is RESTYLE Shop. The address is Lot 55, Kawasan Industri, Taman Bendahara, 16100, Pangkalan Cepa, Kelantan. The owner is Nur Fatin Nabila binti Muhammad Razi. Date of establishment at 71st May 2021. The types of business is a partnership. Next, I will introduce our employees and our department. We have 12 employees and 6 departments. In a department, we have General Manager, Financial Manager, Human Resource, Operation Management Manager, Operation Management, Marketing Management Manager, Marketing Management, and Safety and Security Management Manager, and last but not least, of Safety and Security. Next, we have a payroll report with the ending month pay. In the payroll report, we have a Nur Nabiah binti Osman. In the department, General Manager, the gross pay is 1,125. Second, we have Siti Nur Shazlin. The department is Financial Manager. The gross pay is 900. Third, we have a Siti Nur Izzati binti Razak at Department Human Resource, have a gross pay 900. Fourth, we have a Operation Management Manager, which is Muhammad Afiq Haikal bin Mazlan. The gross pay is 1,770. Because we have a picture work earring at 900. Same goes to his partner, which is the Operation Manager. Fifth, we have a Marketing Management Manager. The employees is Muhammad Abrisham Shazani bin Suhaimi. The gross pay is 1,090. Same goes to her partner. Same goes to his partner at Marketing Management. Last but not least, we have a Safety and Security Manager, which is Muhammad Iqmal Haikal bin Omar Hashim. At the gross pay is 768. The partner is a Safety and Security Management. Abdul Fattah dan Muhammad Zaki have a gross pay is 549 ringgit Malaysia.
Now I will continue with question number 2. Basically, the question is about the amount we need to start up our business. Here is the table is given, and the table shows our own capital is RM 50,000, loan from relative RM 10,000, and bank XYZ 25,000. So now I am going to show how to calculate the interest amount and future value of the relative loan and bank XYZ. For relative loan, we use simple interest formula, I equal PRT. We use all the information given and we put on the formula, and we get the answer of relative loan is RM 375. For future value relative loan, we will get RM 10,375 based on the formula we use as S equal P multiply 1 plus RT. We know that the P is the principal, R is the interest rate, and T is the period of time. For bank XYZ, we must to find the future value first, and then we can find the interest amount. For future value, we use formula S equal P multiply 1 plus I multiply N. So we can get the answer for future value is 29,736 ringgit 11 cent. And then we can find the interest amount by S minus P, which is 29,736 ringgit 11 cent minus 25,000 equal to 4,736 ringgit 11 cent.
So we will continue to the promissory note. As we can see, in our promissory note, the total amount of our loan is Ringgit Malaysia 10,000, and the day we create this promissory note at 17 May 2022, 548 days after that we promise to pay to the order of loan relative, which is Akma in Ringgit Malaysia, 10,000 only for a value received with interest at the rate of 2.5% per annum until paid. The due for this promissory note is 9 December 2023, and this promissory note created by Fatih Nabila.
First of all, I will present the machinery and cost of clothing store. We have about 7 items and each of them has different quantities. And the total is Rm 60,755.25 cents.
3B, depreciation scheduled for 5 years. First, disclaiming balance method. The first year has the highest depreciation, whereas the last year has the lowest depreciation. The sewing machine was both for Rm 3,980. The sewing machine is estimated to have a useful life for 5 years, with a scrap value of Rm 2,768.84. Second, sum of year digit method. Sum of year digit method is another accelerated method. The cost of sewing machine is Rm 3,980 and its salvage value is Rm 2,768.84 at the end of 5 years.
Next, for the received invoice for machinery cost dated 23rd March 2022 from supplier A with term 7/10, 5/15 and N/13. For the 30 March 2022 or 7 days after the date of the invoice within the discount period, based on the term given, our company receives 7% cash discount. As you can see on the table, we have calculated for the received invoice 7% cash discount. For the PC set, we get Rm 1,816. Sewing machine Bruce, Rm 1,655.40%. For the sewing machine Gamsi is Rm 2,046. And for standing electric steam iron hanging clothes is Rm 603 ringgit.57 cent. Cotton boil Korea Rm 457.56 cent. And Senorita treat box Rm 84 ringgit.82 cent. And for sewing tools accessory portable box is Rm 22 ringgit.25 cents. Lastly, for 5 April 2022, we received invoice 5% cash discount because we managed to pay in 30 days after the date of invoice within the discount period. As you can see on the table, we have calculated for the received invoice 5% cash discount. For the PC set, we get Rm 1,900. For the sewing machine Bruce, we get Rm 1,691. Sewing machine Dempsey is Rm 2019. For standing electric steam iron clothes is Rm 616.55 cents. Cotton boil Korea Rm 467.40 cents. Senorita box Rm 86 ringgit.44 cents. And sewing tools kids accessory portable box is Rm 22 ringgit.73 cents.
Okay, next, I want to continue with question number 4A, which is monthly payment. The way to calculate monthly payment is amount borrowed multiply R in parenthesis 1 plus R power source n, divide 1 plus R power source n minus 1, and we get the price we pay to the bank is 403 ringgit 33 cents.
Last but not least, I will continue a question 4B, the amortization schedule. To find the monthly payment, as you can see the previous slide which has been described by Nabiha, for find the interest paid, interest rate multiply beginning loan and it will get answer. For example, 0.005 multiply 5,000 equal 25. For principal paid, monthly payment must minus interest paid and then get the answer. And to find the ending balance, we must beginning loan minus principal paid. For example, 5,000 minus 405.33, and the answer is equal 4,594.67 right ringgit Malaysia. While interest percentage, to get the answer interest paid, multiply 100 and divide the monthly payment, which the year 1 we get 5.81%.